Hello everyone, welcome to Invoke Art Sense. This is April and this is a laminating bookmark video. So not too long ago I bought a laminator machine and I finally had the time and the energy to try this out. Now I don't have a printer still, that's another problem, but I think that's going to be coming soon because they all came out beautifully, but myself wanted to experiment with holographic sheet and the broken glass effect and all that other stuff, and it did not work. And I'm telling you, I had bubbles after bubbles, so that didn't work. But the laminating part here is beautiful. It's so easy. I did the hot press side. There's a cold and a hot, and the laminating sheets that they provided was for the hot, and I also ordered more additional hot. And now I'm using a cutting board to cut these, and it did work, but I did have to go back with the scissors, and I'm not really sure which one is the best way to do it. Because I did lose a few at the end. Maybe it's because I was just being too OCD and wanting to cut more and more and more. It's like when you cut hair, you cut more and more and more until your bangs are really short. Well, that's what happened. I lost a lot doing that, but practice, I guess, you know. And I did end up I actually had all the cats survive amazingly. They have 9 lives. So all the 5 pieces I had printed for this cat bookmark did survive. One I tasseled, as you're seeing right now, and I'm using like the little, let me think about it. They are jump rings. They are called jump rings, people. And so I had a bigger one and I had some smaller ones. And with the smaller ones, I had these shiny silver ones I thought would be perfect with the bookmark I'm working with now, the Mermaid Together in Harmony one, because of all the bubbles and silvery and white. Would look great with it. So I did a dangling effect attachment. Could have been easier if I had a chain, but I just created one. And of course, I'm using 2 of the the tools for the jewelry making tools to make it easier for me to open and close the clasp. I used to do a lot of like jewelry stuff like that, you know, but not so much because hand dexterity is harder for me as I'm now over 40. But anyways, they did come out beautifully. I did have some that I just left plain, only laminated, and the 3 that did make it at the end had tassels with them. And comment below, do you prefer your bookmarks, or do you prefer these with tassels or without tassels? What do you like better? Comment below your thoughts. And which one do you like best? Now I didn't, the strawberry horse one did not survive. It had just a minor defect, so I didn't actually make a tassel for it. So sad. But I really do like, my favorite is the bookmark right now that you're seeing. This is the Ripples of Truth, my oil painting. And I had used a phone attachment and dangler or attachment, phone attachment loop. I cut it and then I added some bigger beads. And then I tied it. Had to think about it for a moment. Tied it, and then I added a little jump ring, a little small one, and I tied the 2 together with that jump ring and reinforced it, and so it became kind of like a little circle, kind of like maybe it reminds me of a Korean bookmark where it's like kind of like a little like clover or like little diamond kind of shape, and very happy with it. So other than that, I really do want to revisit the holographic sticker, and I did do it a long time ago when I made my own stickers, and maybe it's just because I'm tired and I just put the whole sheet on top of the the laminating sheet that I had finished without cutting. So I think less is more in this case. So I should have just cut each bookmark and then cut the sheet individually and then put down the holographic sticker side on each one individually and then put it through the laminator machine. Maybe that would have worked. I'm not sure what I did wrong. I didn't include the footage. It's miserable. I lost all but the one that I'm working on now, the Ripples of Truth. All four of them were gone. And then I also lost all of the dragons with the horse with the rose eye, all of that, except for the one that I didn't finish because it has a minor defect. And then cats all survived, and I lost more than half of the Together in Harmony. But that's okay. That's what is, what we do as artists, right? We go through the processes, we figure it out, what works, what doesn't work, and there are losses. In this case, I had printed outsourced printing, so I definitely will be buying my own printer. I think that will be best. So in this case, I don't feel like I've lost much by messing up or learning from the process. And it's really not the final product that really is the best part of being an artist and then the art. It is the process that is the most important thing that we actually do and learn from. So definitely I'm excited about these, and I do have a lot more that I have planned for if I ever get a printer. But for now, this is what I have. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye now. Visit me on eBay to see other things I have. I have also a custom purse with this one right here, the Together in Harmony piece with the hippocampus. That one and the black cat and eerie background. That one is also available in a different kind of keychain. Definitely check me out on eBay. See ya. Bye now.